in this screencast, we'll be looking at what happens in linear equation 2. So what happens when the coefficient of x becomes negative and when the coefficient of x is a fraction or a decimal. Here you can see our line that we started with before, y equals x. So what happens when y equals x becomes y equals minus x? It goes in the other direction. So with the black line, y equals x, for the rise of 1, which is in a positive direction, we move to the right one, which is also in a positive direction. So rise is 1, run is 1, therefore the slope of the line is 1. Now when we look at the y equals minus x line, we look at the rise going up, which is positive, which is 1, but then we go in the negative direction, which is minus 1. So positive 1 divided by minus 1, which is minus 1. So the slope of our line is negative. So it goes basically downhill from upper left quadrant to lower right quadrant. So when the coefficient of x increases in the negative direction, our line gets steeper, just as we did before. So y equals minus 2. So for every 2 we go up, which is the positive direction, we go backwards minus 1. So that's 2 over minus 1 gives us a slope of minus 2. And as our number gets greater, so minus 4, our line gets steeper. So we have a rise of 4 and we move in the negative direction 1. So it's 4 over minus 1. Rise of 4, run of minus 1. So that's the slope of the negative coefficient line. The same as with the positive coefficient line, when we have a negative coefficient line and a constant or y-intercept, it creates parallel lines. So minus 3 gives us a parallel line here at minus 3. So y equals x minus 3 is parallel to y equals x. If we put a positive, that just moves the line up 4 spaces. So this is y equals minus x plus 4. The only other thing that I need to show you right now, I can't show you on this, so we'll just stop there. So that is looking at negative coefficients of x.